Welcome to my channel of Building Digitally with Christy, and I'm just excited that you're going to be here today with me. And in this video, I'm going to show you how beginners can start affiliate marketing in 2026, even with no followers, no products, and no tech experience. Friends, stay tuned for this one because you do not want to miss this exciting video. If you're brand new to the online space and wondering how in the world people are making income without products, without followers, or without even being techie, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to break down affiliate marketing for beginners. And this is the easiest way to get started online, especially if you do not want to create a product yet. You do not want to sell in people's DMs all over social media. And you want to start something realistic and beginner friendly. This is step 1 in my 5-step YouTube series on building online income. And I just want to congratulate you for being here. I'll congratulate you for showing back up because guess what? You're learning, and that is the most important thing in the world. So, what is affiliate marketing? And how do you start affiliate marketing the right way? Affiliate marketing simply means this: you share tools, programs, or resources that you already use and love. You're given this unique link. And when someone uses that link, you earn a commission. That's it. You're not creating a product. You're not handling any of the payments. You're not doing any customer service. And you're simply connecting people to a solution. That's it. Why is affiliate marketing perfect for beginners? Well, here's why. I love this starting point. There's no product creation. There's no inventory. There's no tech setup required at first. You can start while learning, and you can build confidence by sharing and not selling. So if you could just recommend something to a friend, you can do affiliate marketing, my friend. But I don't have a following. Okay, we're going to shift that mindset because this is something that most people get stuck in. Mindset blockage. Do you realize that God gave you every gift that you need to succeed in the digital online space and beyond? Anywhere. He gave you everything you need. Why are you allowing the world to limit you and say you can't do something? Because, friends, you can. And this is so important. You don't need a big audience. You definitely don't need viral videos. You don't even need thousands of followers. What you do need is this: one clear place that people can find you, that you brand yourself, one simple message, and one way to help other people. That's where the hub comes in. Okay. And this is so exciting. I want to share with you. Using Skool, Skool, as your hub, that's your center point where you're going to draw people to, is making money online without those followers. This is where things get powerful and simple. Instead of trying to manage multiple platforms, random links everywhere, overflowing funnels everywhere, you can use the Skool as your home base. The Skool community becomes your brand hub. You're learning in that space. You're trust builder in that space. You're building your affiliate ecosystem in that space. So inside the Skool, you can share resources you personally use. It's your platform. Nobody's going to take it away from you. Not like if you built a community somewhere else. This is yours. So you share the resources you personally use. You add affiliate links ethically, and I will show you how to do that. You educate instead of selling, and you build long-term relationships, my friend. You're not chasing people. You're inviting them to your value. So I get a question asked to me all the time. Can I really start affiliate marketing without a following? And the answer is yes. Yes, you can. Because what matters is trust, not the size, my friend. So, how do you start affiliate marketing step by step? So, step one, you're going to choose a tool or programs that you already use and believe in. What have you got sitting around your house that you use all the time? Or what do you believe in that you can help other people with? That's number one. So then you sign up for their affiliate program because every item that you have, believe it or not, has an affiliate program with it. It's just amazing what you will go out and you can be an affiliate for. Then step three, you create one center place. One center place. That's your Skool community. And step four, you share why you use it, who it helps, and what problem it solves. And then step five, you let people decide. There's no pressure. There's no pitching. If they need it, they'll get it and they'll use your link for it. Why? This builds trust, not just income, because affiliate marketing is done the right way this way. It feels honest. You build credibility with other people and you position you as a guide, not a salesperson. People don't want to be sold to, my friend. They just want to feel supported. When you bring value to other people and you support other people will start following you. How does this fit into the bigger picture? Affiliate marketing is often your first stream of income, my friend. It's the confidence builder that you need for the foundation for your future growth. As you learn and you grow and you earn, this can lead to communities, to digital products, to education-based income, but it all starts on the simple and steady. So if you want to see how I personally use my community hub and the Skool platform to share the resources to build online income step by step, be sure and click the link below. There's no pressure. It's just clarity, my friend. I have a vast amount of information that I can personally share with you that I use on a daily basis as affiliates. I can teach you how I created affiliates from within the Skool community and how I encourage you to come and join the free community to see really how it all works together. And you can have everything inside the hub versus having something that you don't brand yourself with. I want you to succeed the right way in building your ecosystem up. And starting with your affiliate marketing is where you're going to start building your ecosystem. So within the classroom in my community, I share different ways to build different communities. I also have a link that I will share with you that you can start your own community, and it's 14 days free trial. But don't grab that link yet because I want to teach you how to be successful before you click that link and join it and have your own community. I'll show you how to set your community up the right way and everything else. So you have 14 full days before you have to pay anything, whether it's the hub community of the $9 or the $99. But you can get in for as little as $9 in a Skool community, which is crazy because it has so much value in there. You have everything in one place that's securely yours for $9. People, it's just unreal. I love it. So I want to encourage you this. Please don't rush. Just be you, understand to get the basics that you need and the structure and the clarity you need. Have someone guide you. I can tell you, friends, I came into the online space and I went in and I purchased this affiliate program, not knowing what I was doing, spent thousands and thousands of dollars on that. And yes, I have it and I could use it and I could promote it, but that's not what I needed to succeed in the online space. And I don't want you to be lost. I want you to be guided. So be sure and start your journey the way that you need to build your ecosystem up with affiliate marketing as your base. We just keep adding beginner friendly ways, setting your success up the right way. No guessing, no frustration, just clarity and guidance and success as well. Be sure and click the link and subscribe to my channel so that you can catch the next one in the series. Communities and membership income is coming. This one is a fun one. It's stacking your ecosystem even more. So I will see you soon, my friend. And if this video helped you in any way, please comment, please share so that others can see it too. And remember, click the link below and come join me on your digital journey, building digitally with Christy on the Skool platform. I would love to see you. Have a blessed one.